What is up, everybody? This is the Oklahoma Prepper coming to you pre-recorded from the shed. Check out my new stupid hat, Kyle. Tip of the hat to you, buddy. Alright, so here's the deal. I don't know how well you're going to hear me because it's really windy, so I'm going to have to get right up on the camera. So here's the deal. I just got back from Baltimore, Texas. Way down near Fort Stockton. We had to set 4 double wides. Today is Wednesday, it's the 4th, so happy Independence Day to all of you. Happy birthday, America. So we had to set 4 double wides and be done by Tuesday. Or, I'm sorry, the original call was 5 double wides, but we ended up getting 4 done on Monday. And then Tuesday morning we finished up cleaning and strapping it down and then came home. So, but anyways, I took some pictures and some video of some of the work that we do when we're setting these houses, just to give you ideas of how to go about setting a shed. Yeah, there you go. How to go about getting a shed set, and to kind of recap on some of the video I did on the last one about buying a done shed, this drywalled up and everything. So here's the deal. Sorry, I had to sneeze. I took a couple of pictures of some of the stuff that we do and how we do it, and a couple of video clips of some of the stuff that some of the problems we run into as far as cracked drywall and fixing some of the cracked drywall. So check this video out, guys. Just for your sake, and the sake of everybody's opinion, this is how we are required to set houses by the Department of Housing and Urban Development, or HUD. This is how they require us to set mobile homes or manufactured homes. This is purely to give you an idea of what your options are and what your options may be as far as setting your tiny house. This is the way I will be setting my house whenever I decide to get it all set. I hear somebody. Somebody just drove by. Anyways, so without further ado, I apologize for the blabbing, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so this, just for a quick reference, this is a picture of the house. This is an 18-foot wide solitaire single wide home, just to give you an idea of what we're doing. In this next picture you can see how we lift up the houses. We just use 3 of these 20-ton bottle jacks, and we just jack them up a few inches just to get the axles and the tires off of this house so that we can set it. Okay, so once we've got the house lifted up, we've got most of the blocks already leveled, and the bottom block you see there is called a base pad. It's a 4-inch thick by 16 by 16 inch block, and it is a heavy beast. And then on top of that is just a regular cinder block, which we call 8s, and on top of that is a 4 by 8 by 16, I believe. And that's usually how we stack our blocks. Also, you can see in the bottom left hand part of the screen is an anchor, and then a strap running from the anchor to the house. This is a shot of the piers up close with the water level. You can see that we have now got wood blocks on top of the concrete, and that's just to add a couple of inches to make sure that it's level. And then once we're done with that, then we use shims to just make sure it's 100% level. And that's just a simple clear tube with water inside of the reservoir and blue food coloring added to it, to just kind of give us a little bit more of a clear view of how where the water level is. And that's how we level the houses with that. And once we're done, we just simply take all the jacks down, and that's, of course, That's after we've made sure that the axles and the hitches are off of the house. Alright guys, so as you saw from the pictures earlier, we are now in the house. For those of you who don't know, solitaires come just ready to move in. Basically all they have to do is set them. Alright, so I just walked in. We've got this house set. We've got 4 more to do. These are the cracks I was telling you about. Now, like I said, these houses were just brought in the last day or two. Some seams, another crack right there. Guys, don't be intimidated. This is normal, and that's all we have to do. I mean, there's one over by the front door, but those cracks like that are normal. Don't be intimidated by it. It's a quick, easy fix. Alright guys, so you can kind of see what I've done right here. Basically, I've took my putty knife, and I just pretty much did this right here. Scraped it off right here and right here. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoop up some mud, some drywall compound, joint compound, and I'm just gonna do that, smear it right in there. Same thing right here, and same thing right here. That's it. And then texture it and paint it. That's easy. That's how easy it is. And if you guys can imagine, one box of mud will probably do more than you can imagine. I mean, a box of mud is like 30 pounds. Alright guys, so that's how simple it is. Just put the mud on there, fill in cracks, put a little tape, and then smooth it over. And you're done right there. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know down below. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so that you can get notified to any of my new content. Appreciate every one of you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Have a safe and happy Independence Day. Stay safe and keep prepping.